Hi, today we're going to be making a paper airplane. So, what you're going to need is one thing. Well, actually three. You're going to need these things and a piece of paper, colored or not. This is light green, but it's kind of showing up white. But a piece of copy paper. You can buy colored copy paper at like Walmart or a store or the dumpster. Or steal it from your teacher, like I did. Anyways, we're just going to fold it and make a paper airplane like this, and then we're done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. No, I'm just kidding. Will you please be quiet? Please? Well, that's why I told you to be quiet.
No, Sophie.
Okay. Well, that's good. It's karma. Okay. So, first thing we're going to do is fold the piece of paper, hot dog style, in half.
Sophie, try to bite me.
Just ignore them. Ignore the distraction. You don't know how many times I've tried to make this video and they've ruined it. I'm just going with it. Pretend like you're not even here. Okay, you gotta stay back there. And so do you. Okay, give me. I will literally take my hand, put it back, pretend like I didn't know you were there, and say, "Whoops, my bad." Okay. Anyways, back to the video. Okay, so gonna fold it in half. And to make a crease, and then you're gonna unfold it. Stop, Chloe.
I love you.
And then you're going to you're going to fold. No, I'm not. I'm crying. Okay, you're gonna fold the corner down to the middle, crease, like this. You're gonna do that to both sides.
Okay,
Just trying to make a video.
That's why you messed up the foot.
Okay, thank God it's quiet now. Okay. Okay, now that it's like this, you want to try to get this point as pointy as you can. Then you're going to fold to make another triangle. Fold the corner over, or the side, or whatever you want to call it. The paper. It's not funny, Alex. It's not supposed to be a joke. Stop laughing. Stop, Sophie. It's not amusing to me, Sophie. Stop. Okay, you're going to fold it like this. Fold it over to the crease again on both sides. Oh, that's not.
Yes. No. Yes. You take it out your big fat booty.
I'm just trying to make a paper airplane video. That hurt really bad. Knee in the back. Okay. Now it should look like this. Then excuse me while I lock the door. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Mommy Sema! Okay. Okay, let's hurry before they tell and I get in trouble or whatever. Trouble. Hang on! Just give me a minute. No, you won't. You said that last time. Okay. Now that you've folded it in half, like this. I don't know if I've already gotten to that part, but I should have. And fold it over like this. Okay, this video, like, honestly could have been like a minute long. Maybe a minute and 30 seconds. But so far it's 5 minutes 23 seconds. Okay, so fold it like this. And then you're going to take it and fold it. And I hear crying. Okay, you're just going to okay, whenever it's like this, you're going to just take this part and fold it down. So it's going to look like this. And you're going to do that to both sides. Hey, kitty. You're not going to turn into a demon like I did, are you? No? Okay. 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 So now you should have folded both pieces down to the sides. Then you've got your paper airplane. You can fly it. Don't burn your head on the light bulb. Dude, stop. You're going to burn it. You're going to burn all your fur off. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.